Hey there, do you know what are Amazon renewed products? Of course, Amazon renewed products are refurbished products that are as good as new. These products have very less or no scratches or dents, backed by 6 months warranty provided by the seller. These products have been professionally inspected and tested by experts. Amazon renewed products come with all standard accessories and 6 months warranty provided by the seller. In case of any manufacturing defect, Amazon's standard replacement policy applies. These products are tested by experts, have very less or no scratches or dents, come with all standard accessories, replacement is allowed, and they come with a minimum 6 months seller warranty. You can save up to 50% on brands you love. Browse through thousands of smartphones, laptops, home and kitchen devices and other renewed products. Shop from Amazon Renewed, save money and enjoy hassle-free shopping.
Fuck that, what they doing, keep on doing.